In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana to Notion. This is a really powerful integration that can streamline your workflow by allowing you to manage tasks within Asana while keeping track of notes and additional details in Notion. Let's go through the steps to set it up quickly and efficiently. First, let's head over to the Asana website and log into your account. Begin by entering your email address at the login page. Once you've done that, simply click on Continue. Next, you'll need to enter your password. As always, ensure that your password is strong by including a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Asana homepage, which is the central hub for all your projects and tasks. Now, let's move on to selecting a project that you want to connect with Notion. Simply click on the project you wish to integrate. Once you've selected your project, it's time to customize it. Look for the Customize button within the project. This button is key because it unlocks a host of settings that you can modify to fit your workflow needs. Within the customization options, you'll see a tab labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on Apps to view all available integrations. Here, you'll find an Add button. Clicking Add will open up a list of different apps that you can integrate with Asana. Scroll through or search until you find Notion and select it. It's exciting to see the range of integrations available, but today, we're focusing on the mighty Notion. Once you've selected Notion, you'll see an option labeled Add to Project. Clicking this will initiate the process of connecting your Asana and Notion accounts. Next, you'll be prompted to connect to Notion. Follow the instructions provided to authorize the connection. Usually this includes logging into your Notion account, so be ready with your credentials. Finally, follow any prompts that appear to complete the connection. These help ensure that the integration runs smoothly and conforms to your preferences. With just these few steps, you have effortlessly connected Asana to Notion. Now you can enjoy seamless task management and detailed note-taking across both platforms. Remember to explore and leverage this integration by organizing your tasks and projects comprehensively. It's a great way to enhance productivity and streamline your work processes. I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy your newfound productivity boost and feel free to return for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.